Bend down, my girl, bend down when you in town. Because more content will be coming and it'll be better comment. What's up guys, it's your boy Dems2000 and today I'm going to show you how you get your hair longer, and I'm going to show you the secret tip that I have used that I feel that would enhance your hair growth as well. So here's a little look into my inventory that I've got here. I've got the hair mousse from ORS, number 1. I've also got some anti-itch hair oil. You can use the oil that you usually use for your hair, because I use tea tree oil. That's what works with my hair. Also, you're gonna need Sproil, the Jamaican mango and lime, which I don't really think is actually Jamaican castor oil, but they just put it on the name. But yeah, Jamaican mango lime Sproil. I should be holding it up so you guys can see a bit better. Yeah, this is basically good for like locks and twists, but also is good for braids. And last but not least, you're gonna have some oil sheen. You also can see these products in the thumbnail as well that I'm gonna post up anyway. You'll see it in the thumbnail. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply all 3 of these products, but I'm gonna apply them in different stages, and I'm gonna show you how. Right, so what you want to do, you want to apply the oil, any oil that you use. It could be castor oil, it could be coconut oil, whatever oil you use in your hair. I'm going to use tea tree oil. You're basically going to apply it to the roots. Apply it to the roots. So this can go for braids, this can go for cornrows, you know, this can go for locks. Just make sure that the oil gets to the scalp, and then you're just gonna take your hand and you're gonna gently run your fingers through your braids or cornrows or cornrows, whatever you want to call it. So then you get it right in your scalp, like so. Next, you're gonna add this Sproil. And you're gonna just basically do the same, but with this you're gonna spread it all over. So you're gonna spread it in the braids, you're gonna spread it in the scalp, you're gonna spread it all over, like so. And then after you spray, just about a couple spray, sometimes I get a bit extra with it and I'm like, yeah, I want that, you know what I mean, that good results, so the more the better. But just a couple squirts will do. I know I did more than a couple, but you get the gist. So yeah, I forgot this camera tilts. I'm getting close and low like it's set. But yeah, just do the same. Just run your fingers through. I don't know why I'm bending again. Just run your fingers through. You know what I mean? Make sure everything's all incorporated. Don't worry about your hair getting a bit frizzy, because that's when the mousse comes in, because you know the mousse is good for setting the hair. And you know, when you want it to look shiny and like it's brand new. Then step 3, you're gonna add your oil sheen. You're just gonna spray. You might think, yeah, there's a lot of oil going on, but Afro hair needs a lot of oil, so you're just gonna spray a bit, just like so. And even then, just rub it all in. I've just found out this concoction, and this is what's enhanced my hair growth. I hope when you guys try it, you can show me in the comments on the results. I will also show you some pictures as well, what my hair did look like before coming up with this tip and remedy for my hair. I don't know why I'm bending down again. I forgot this camera, it follows. Lean back, lean back. I should have brought my speaker. But yeah, still bending. Bend down, my girl, bend down when you in town. If you guys listen to Soca, you will know that song. So You're basically gonna apply the mousse to your hair. You just want a fair amount. You know, a fair amount will do. And you're just gonna basically douse your hair in mousse. Yeah, that's a bit better. Don't need to bend down. You can see it from here. And you're just gonna basically do the same. Apply it, run it through your hair, like so. Just get it covered in, get it caked in. You know, get it caked in. I gotta get used to this camera. Yeah, just easy like that. Easy like 1, 2, 3. Do re mi. Voila. You know what I mean? Right. So now, here's the last stage. You're gonna apply this first. You're gonna apply the wave cap first. And the reason why I say wave cap as well as the do-rag, just so it kind of locks it in better and makes the braids and, you know, the cameras look better. Just gives it more compaction. Obviously you don't want it too tight, so then, you know, you're in pain and it's hurting your head. Also, I will say, if your hair does itch, this is Do-Grew anti-itch, if it's gonna focus. Yeah, there we are, anti-itch hair oil. Right, so we're back in business. Camera decided to fail on me, but we rise. So yeah, just basically put it on like so, fold it. Here we go again with the bending. Yeah, just so it looks like that, you know. And then add the do-rag. So there you have it. Mission complete. Now, what you want to do, you want to apply this maybe 3 to 4 times for the week. You don't have to go extra. You don't have to go like every day, because at the end of the day, your hair doesn't need oil every day. You just want to keep it moisturized, and these products pretty much help, you know, enhance the growth. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Also, in like 2 weeks or so, I would say 2 weeks. So for cameras, majority of the time we leave it in for like 2 weeks. Basically, whenever it's time to take your braids out, take your twist out, whatever hairstyle you got. Obviously, if you got locks, you can't take it out. But any hairstyle, just take them out. Yeah, there you have it. In about, for me, when these come out, which is probably next week, I usually take my cameras out, and within 2 weeks, I do see results. So you can let me know in the comments how long it took for you to grow. I don't know how long, like I don't know the inches that it will grow, but you will see the difference within 2 weeks, and then in another 2 weeks you'll see another difference. So let me know in the comments below. Like, comment, share this video, and I hope you guys have a blessed day or night wherever you are in this world. And guys, last but not least, I nearly missed this very important one. Subscribe. Please subscribe, because more content will be coming, and it'll be better content. Now I'm gonna keep it's gonna be better content. So, you know, more vlogs, you know, more cooking videos, all different things. It could even be hair. So, you know, I do men's hair, Afro hair, and skincare, all types. So listen out for that one, or watch out for that one, and subscribe.